Hey, 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 hey. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? I have not seen y'all in so long. I haven't seen y'all in so long, y'all. I ain't seen y'all in a minute. How y'all doing? Y'all. First of all, let me go ahead. God, thank you for the food. I thank you for the food I'm going to receive. Let it be nourishment in your name and pray, amen. Alright, y'all. So I told y'all. Say by that side, told y'all. Today I'm having me some nice old, what? They don't show it. This is embarrassing. Help me. Help me. They ain't got nothing up here saying, oh yeah, Panera. Panera bread, y'all. I got Panera bread today. My boss, the lady that pays the cost, she's not with Ross. She gave us a $25 gift certificate, so I took this opportunity to, you know, get a free meal. I'm about to eat it right now. Of course, it's a free meal, but you know what I'm saying. Take this time to do a 2-in-1. 2-in-1. The baguette's kind of okay. Panera bread. We're gonna have to talk about that. We have to do a little better than that, huh? I don't know what y'all doing. Let me say this. This is the most weirdest thing to me. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna leave it alone. I comes in a parking lot. Don't nobody be in the parking lot. I just want a nice little place where I can film and eat my food. But guess what? Somebody must send out a call. So there's a blue car. Go sit beside it. It's just, that ain't the point here. You guys, I decided I was going to try their teriyaki chicken and broccoli bowl. And this is how it looks so far. I'm going to take it off. I'm scared to, Lord, it smells nice. Let me see. This, I look real slow. Oh, I'm going to try it and I'm going to give y'all my 411. It ain't much in this bowl. I don't know what they think they got going on. I'm sorry. But this is how I look, y'all. Ain't she pretty? She really pretty. She's pretty. All right, belly, y'all. Okay. Okay, all right. Don't hurt nobody, chicken and broccoli. No. Oh, I'm going to eat now because right now my belly. Don't judge me. I feel a lot of judgment. Now, y'all, I'm starting to think that lady did this on purpose. I thought on my shirt. It's a Forever in Our Heart shirt. I'm gonna insert the picture in here. Hold on. Excuse me. Y'all gotta excuse me. June 25th this year. It's been exactly 6 months and 3 days since my mom been gone. And you guys, it's hard. It's really hard. I lost my mom due to complications of cancer and, well, I'll say chemotherapy. And y'all didn't tell me that grief was like this. You know, I know I was gonna miss my mom, but you know, I now understand what the babies be feeling like when they're anxiety, they miss their moms. Their moms drop them off and they feel like the mom ain't coming back. This is how I feel. But this is every day. Knowing that my mom is not going to come back. And y'all, it ain't the easiest thing. But I'm going to tell you something. I know my mom didn't want to die. But I believe she's seen something beyond what our eyes can see. And I believe that by the time that she transitioned, you know. But y'all continue to keep me in prayers. I can see where people can lose their mind, and some people go down deep depression because they miss their loved one so much. But when you are a child of God and you know the kind of life that your loved one lived, my mama served the Lord. To the world, she was a quiet lady. But my mom, it came down to the right thing to do. She fought for righteousness. She fought for the truth. My duty now is to be there for my daughter. And be a little bit more tougher than normal on her, because I feel like the enemy, he is very cunning. Sometimes as parents, we make mistakes. And sometimes our children don't see, they don't see the best that we're trying to do, or what we're trying to do to make them be better people or taking care of them. I'm sorry, y'all. But grief is like a roller coaster, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, I'd be okay one day. Next day, straight up there. I'm living to see my mama again. I miss her so much. Y'all gotta understand, I talk to my mom every day. The only person I talked to most was my mama. I understand. There's another person popped over here. Doing that. Y'all, I've been juicing. This morning I had a smoothie. I about to die today. I'm about to die. So how are you about to die, sis? Girl, that smoothie went down. Huh? Someone said, well, boo. But y'all, for real. I'm sorry, I had to chew. Look here now, cup. Excuse me. No, that's pretty good. I know this, but there's something about when the food is really good when you're really hungry. It be hitting differently, honey. I ain't gonna sit and lie. I can't say. And I'm proud of myself. Because really in the beginning, when I first lost my mom, the grief was so hard. And I tell you, I felt this pain in my body. Ooh. I cannot explain it. I could not explain the pain that grief was doing to my body. No, it's good. But one thing about God, He wrapped me in the cradle of His arms. And He said, daughter, you're going to be okay. You're going to be okay. And guess what? Time after time, day after day, I felt better. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna get better at coming on and posting. And I'm doing some stuff here and there, but it ain't doing nothing right now. I got people asking me, what in the world is going on? When are you coming back? I'm back. I'm just not posting. Well, I'm excited about 2024. I believe God has a great and amazing thing prepared for us. I am saying this now. If you are not connected to God as as you should be, now is the time. Now is the time. Now is the time. Powder. Well, anyways, thank y'all for tuning in. I have been out because I was feeling, honestly, in the beginning too, I slept a lot. And sleep was necessary because I was crying so much. It was pulling the strength from my body. So I would cry and then I would sleep. And I lost 15 pounds. My doctor was like, you okay? Are you eating? And I'm going to share this with you. One night, I was coming out of my sleep. Like, I was sleeping so good. And I heard a voice, and the sound of my mom was so clear that I heard this thing say, Tuda, you want something to eat? And I woke up and I said, no, Mom, it's too early. And when I realized I could have sworn my mom was in the room, you know. I don't know if you guys ever had that experience before. You thought you heard the person that passed away voice. I said, Lord, I'm tripping. I could have sworn I heard my mama say something. But she was gone. I'm praying for everybody who's going through grief this time of the year. Now, I try not to cry on this here stream. But y'all were just waiting for me to cry. So here I am. I cried. You happy? I miss my mom so much. And I pray that God continue to strengthen me. He has been strengthening me. I didn't mean to cry. Sheesh. I'm really a big crier, you know. But thanks for tuning in today. Be blessed. You guys prepare on for New Year's. I'm preparing now. I've been juicing. I've been eating right and stuff. But I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please come back. Please give me ideas of what you guys like to see me do. Okay? Love y'all. Bye.